Assalamu alaikum students. Today our lecture will be on fractions and decimals. First we will write the heading fractions and decimals. We can use place value in a decimal to convert the decimal to a fraction. Basically, we want to convert the decimal number into a fraction number here. So let's start it now. Uh, what what we will use to convert a decimal to a fraction? First, we will write this. No, it's some kind of a rule to easy to absorb. We can we can use place value in a decimal to convert the decimal to a fraction. Let's start with some example so it will be understood what I am saying now. Example number 4.4. Basically, it's chapter 4. It's example 4.4. Convert the decimal zero point 245 to a fraction. In its simplest form. We also want its simplest form. So first we will convert into the fraction, then we will by HCF, using HCF, we will convert into a simplest form. Let's do it. What we will do first, we can use a place value in a decimal to convert the decimal to a fraction. So solution of this, first of all, we have a number. Let's suppose n is that number 0.245. Zero on a units place, and then we have a decimal, so it will become a decimal, and 2 on a tenths place. It's on a tenths place, and 4 on a hundredth place. Hundredth place, and 5 is on a thousands place. Thousands place. So why I'm writing this? Because we should know what the places are. The number which are on the place is the which place. So we want to convert 0.245 5, we want to decompose it like this. We want to split it like this. 0.2, it's on a tens place, and fourth is on a hundredths place, so 0.04. And now we have 5 on a thousands place. So what we will do, when we will skip the decimal, we will give 1. Then after the decimal, in the right place of a decimal, so how many digits are there now? So we will give the 0. So there is only one digit, 2. So plus, when we will skip the decimal, we will give 1. And after the decimal, to the right place of that decimal, so which number, how many digits are there? 0 and 4. So we will give 2 zeros. So 4 will go on above. Plus, when we skip the decimal, we will give 1. After the decimal, how many? Sorry, there is a mistake. So let me correct it. It should be like this: 0, 5. Then 5 will be on the hundredth, thousands place. So when we will skip 1, and there are how many digits? 0, 0, 5, 3 digits. So there will come 3 zeros, and it will be 5. Next, we want to convert our bottom number is like should be a thousand, because when it will become 1,000, so we will get the decimal LCM in a right way. So let me to multiply by 100 and divided by 10 into 100. So 100 can be cancelled, so it's 1. So we can write it. And 4 into 10. It's like this. Plus 5, it's just multiply with the 1. So there should not be anything. Simple. So in above you will get 200, in the bottom you will get 1000, and above you will get 40, and in the bottom you will get 1000, and 5 divided by 1000. So 200 plus 40 is 240, plus 5 is 245, divided by 100, 1000, sorry. So it's in the fraction now. So now we want to convert this 245 divided by 1000 into a simplest form. Now we want a simplest form. So we want HCF, highest common factor, of 245 and 1000, both numbers. So it's 5. So we have to divide it. 245 divided by 5 and 1000 divided by 5. So in last we will get what? It's 49 divided by 200. So there is a note that you have to just see the final digit. It's on the 1000 place, so you can easily convert into 245 divided by 1000. Note, this is some note. The final digit here is 5, 0.245. It's just 5 final. So represent represents thousands. So we can easily say 0.245 is equivalent to 245 divided by 1000. So it's just an equivalent sign. I'm saying 0.245 is equivalent to 245 divided by 1000. Or you can say from that, when we have a 0.2, it also can be converted into, it's on the 10th place. So 2 divided by just a 10. So it converted into 2 by 10. And the highest common factor is a 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. And 10 divided by 2 is 5. So 1 by 5 for simplest form. So what's next? It's the next is there is a we have a exercise, so we can understand it properly. Exercise 4.4. It's chapter 4. Convert each of these decimals to a fraction in its simplest form. First, it's converted into a fraction, so then it will be in its simplest form. Let's see. We have a question. It's a question 1. It's a 0.7, and a 2. It's or not 2. It's a 3. 0.85. You have to convert into a fraction, and in the last you will simplify that. Let's solve it with this technique. Solution. You can also solve it easily. Just it's on the 7th place. Last digit is on the 7th place. So it's the 7 is on the 10th place. So 7 divided by 10. It's easily into a fraction, but we want to understand it properly. So we will go to the long way. So units, it will come 0, and then we have a decimal. So they should become the decimal. And a 7 is on the 10th place. So it's easily, we can say 0.77 divided by 10. So it's our fraction form. But is it a simplest form? Yes. Why? Because 7 and 10 have a highest common factor is just 2, 1. So I'm saying when we will multiply, it's just a 1. So 7 divided by 1 and 10 divided by 1. It's 7 by 10. So simple. Last digit is on the 10th place. So you can understand it properly. So now next we have a 3. So let's convert it this. Part 3, 0.85. I'm not writing what it's on how much or which place, or so you have understood it. 0.05. Now it's on the 10th place, so 8 divided by 10. It's on the 100th place, so 5 divided by 100. So when we skip the decimal, we will give the 1, and after that decimal, how many digits are there in the left side of the units? Left side is euro, 0 is the units. So on the left side, it's just a digit. How many digits? Just 8, 1. So we'll give just a 0. So next, 8 into 10. So we want the denominator should be the same. So 5 divided by 100, it's, and now we have 8 into 10, it's 80. 10 into 10, it's 100, and 5 divided by 100. Next we have 85 divided by 100. So now it's in the fraction form. So what's the HCF of this? Let's find it. 85 can be written as like this: 5 into 13, and 10 can be written, 100 can be written like this: 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5, 5 into 5. So 5 is appearing both sides. You can see from my last previous videos, so you can understand what the HCF is. 85 divided by 5 and 100 divided by 5. So 85 divided by 5, it's 13, and 100 divided by 5, it's just 20. So 13 divided by 20. Let's see what the next is. We have some question. Question number 5. So for understanding properly, we want some questions. It's from exercise same 4.4. It's a 5. It's 0.2, 0.312. So we can say the solution 0.312. 0.3 will become 3 is on the 10th place, so 0.3, and 1 is on the 100th place, so it's become a 0.01, and 2 is on the 1000th place, so it will become 0.002. So next we have 3 by 10. Now we have 1 by 1000. Oh, sorry, 1000, it's 100. 1 by 100. Now we have, it's on the thousands place, so 2 divided by 1000. Next, it's 3 into 100, 10 into 100, 1 into 10. Now next, in the denominator, 100 into 10, and we will skip 2 by 1000 like same. Now the denominator will be same, so we can add the numerators. Bottom number are same, we can add the top numbers. So it's 200 divided by 1000 is same, just what we have done it. But for practice, you can do it. For the understanding, you can solve it. So it's in the last, we'll get like this: 212. I think there's a mistake. Yep, there should be 3. There should be a 3. So let's do it properly. So it should be a 3. No, it should be a 3. So in last we will get 3, 1, 2. So HCF of 312, 312 and 1000 is 8. Highest common factor is 8. 312 is divided by 8. 1000 divided by 8 is 8. Now we have 39 divided by 125. So that's the simplest form, because in the question we have a simplest form. We also want decimal to fraction. Decimal to fraction, it's a decimal. Now it's a fraction. Now it's a simplest form. Decimal to fraction, fraction to a simplest form.